Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I will be showing you guys how you can reverse a video in CapCut PC. So to do that, we are going to select a video. I'm just going to grab one from the stock materials that they have. Just going to add this video and I'm just going to place it in my timeline. Now you have to click on the clip or else the icon won't show up, like the feature won't show up. So select your clip and just hit this button. It's next to the mirror and next to the freeze button. Select it, and as you can see, it reversed the video, and this is the final result of that feature. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, please leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.